Washing rice is super important, especially in the Jamaican household. Let me show you how we wash our rice. It's super satisfying. To see that water run clear, trust me, you want to see that water run clear. Bad matter, whatever, I still wash my rice. I think it's a habit now, but it's a good habit. Get your strainer. You just want to pour your rice out. And we're gonna wash until this runs clear. This is wash number 2. Wash number 3. Number 4. So you can see the rice differently from the water. That is how you know that your rice is now clean. Add your rice to your pot and you're good.